Classification of commercially available FPGAs. Commercially available FPGAs can be classified into four main categories based on the interconnection and how they are programmed. Symmetrical array, row-based array, hierarchical PLD, sea of gates. Symmetrical array based FPGAs. It has horizontal routing channels between the rows of blocks and vertical routing channels between columns of blocks, which is shown in the figure. Row based array FPGAs. In row based array FPGAs, there are horizontal routing channels between the rows. Hierarchical PLDs. These are designed in hierarchical manner with the top level containing only logic blocks and interconnects. Each logic block contains a number of logic modules, and each logic module has combinatorial as well as sequential functional elements. Sea of gates. In this type of FPGA, programmable interconnects are overlaid on the logic blocks to save space. The general architecture of Xilinx FPGA is symmetrical array based as shown in figure. It consists of lookup tables as configurable logic blocks or CLBs controlled by static RAM programming technology. Lookup table is a digital memory with k address lines that can implement any function of k inputs such as an AND function by placing the truth table into the memory. The Xilinx FPGA also consists of horizontal routing channels between the rows of blocks and vertical routing channels between the columns of the logic blocks. Few old families of Xilinx FPGAs such as Xilinx XC FPGA family, Xilinx Vertex FPGA family, Xilinx Spartan FPGA family, and their launch date is shown in this slide. Actel FPGAs. The basic architecture of Actel FPGAs is row based as depicted in below figure. It consists of rows of multiplexer based programmable blocks called as logic modules controlled by splice and diffuse, and horizontal routing channels between the rows. Altera FPGAs. The general architecture of Altera FPGAs, which is a hierarchical PLD, is shown in the figure. It consists of an array of large programmable blocks called logic array blocks controlled by EEPROM programming technology. Routing resources called programmable interconnect array is shown in the figure. The table shows some of the commercially available FPGAs and the comparison between their general architecture, logic block types, and programming technology.